Today we are making a traditional matcha iced latte, bringing a touch of Japanese elegance into our homes. In Japan, making matcha is like an art form. The ceremony emphasizes harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. My daughter taught me the simplified modern version. First, we'll take about 1 or 2 teaspoons of ceremonial grade matcha. Sift it to remove any lumps. We are using the traditional bamboo scoop for this. Next, add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of hot water, ideally around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Never boiling, as it can burn the delicious tea. Whisk it with a bamboo whisk called chasen, either up and down or in M or W shape. Use either an earthen or ceramic bowl. Transfer this to your glass. Add a little hot water to clean your bowl and add this also to the glass. Add a little more hot water. Then we used a handheld milk frother to whisk it some more. This frothy layer needs to form on top. It's called usucha. Add a little bit of the vanilla extract to the glass. Add some ice. Add milk of choice, dairy or vegan. Stir it with a spoon or a straw. Watch as the green cascades to the creamy white, a beautiful fusion. If desired, add in a sweetener of choice. And there you have it, a refreshing, invigorating iced matcha latte. A moment of calm, steeped in tradition, ready for you to enjoy. There are a lot of traditional tools available for making matcha, but the chasen or bamboo whisk is your must-have. It is made from a single piece of bamboo split into many delicate prongs. The chasen is a must-have because it's specifically designed to break up matcha powder clumps and create the frothy texture. Today we tried variations such as the banana bread matcha, the strawberry matcha, and just normal matcha. My personal favorite is the iced matcha latte with no additions, just the slightly bitter, grassy undertone. Thank you for watching Savarchi Bawarchi. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also click on the bell icon.